teenager, but he's also the youngest world champ and the pride of India. Gukesh has returned home and he's got a hero's welcome. Look at that. Lovingly being mobbed by the fans, supporters, all the cameras, the eyes on him. And this, remember, with the recent victory that clearly had congratulations coming in from everywhere. He's returned home. These are visuals from Chennai. Gukesh Dommaraju returning now as the world chess champion, the youngest in fact. And whether it was Elon Musk or the world chess champions or legends already or Prime Minister Modi, everyone of course had a word to say. And remember, you're looking at an 18-year-old. An 18-year-old, many would say a boy. And yet, all his effort. I think he's speaking. Let's dip into that.
And thank you for this reception. I hope we can have a great time in the next few days celebrating together. Thank you.
Allow them please. Allow them please.
Tamil.
வீட்டுக்கு இந்த காஃபி கொண்டு வந்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். ரொம்ப வருஷமா இங்க வந்ததுனால எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எல்லாருக்கும்
All right, so Gukesh Dommaraju, the chess champion, the world's youngest, and those tears that he saw now
I could see
perhaps
the
turning
support
into
and what it means to India. So I'm really glad to be here.
Hometown hero, homecoming, and the celebrations are right. What is your message to the fans?
You guys are amazing. You gave me so much energy. So yeah, looking forward to meeting you all.
Side. Vandi. This is the vehicle.
Defeated world champion Ding Liren and became 18th world champion of chess. This was last week in Singapore. Remember, this was no easy game. They battled for about 14 games before eventually he managed to defeat the Chinese grandmaster. There were tears. He took a moment when it hit him perhaps that now he's not just a world champion but the youngest, and that's when, however, keeping his calm, went out and there were applause and cheers waiting for him. Pramod Madhav is right there on the ground right now. Pramod, tell us about the sentiment. What does it feel like to be in Chennai this morning?
Well, Pooja, it's an absolute delight for Chennai and Tamil Nadu, because this is the second World Chess Championship from Chennai. Imagine the earlier one was Vishwanathan Anand, and we got the 18th champion, and that also at the age of 18. Gukesh has been an absolute pride for entire India, and especially he has a really big place here, and that's what you see as the crowd is thronging across him, trying to only congratulate him and have a glimpse of the world chess champion who's presently in Chennai, and he's getting a really big welcome at the airport, Pooja.
He did give a brief statement. I think he said thank you to everyone, looking forward to the next few days. Anything else that I possibly missed, Pramod, in that brief comment that he made on the ground?
Definitely, Pooja. He said that he is completely enthralled with the support he got from his fans and how everybody was praying for his victory. And finally, he obtained that particular victory over here. And especially for the past 2-3 years, you could see how chess was also given much more importance in the state of Tamil Nadu, with FIDE being conducted here and various other programs as well. So everybody here were keenly watching Gukesh's travel and also his progress. And that's the reason he personally thanked everybody as he reached airport after a long flight over there, and we're also expecting him to brief the media in another 1 hour or something in another place, Pooja.
All right, so holding the trophy close to him, who is he accompanied by, Pramod? If you can tell us, I'm expecting the family members were with him.
Absolutely, Pooja. His father Rajnikant has been like accompanying him to all the tournaments, and in fact, earlier when his father spoke to us, he also stated the kind of like struggle Gukesh had to go through because like since the age of 7, he's been traveling this particular chess world thing. And for example, he was the grandmaster, and at the age of 11, he said that he wanted to become the chess champion, and finally he has attained it. But he traveled his travel partner and the moral support has always been his father, while his mother has been taking care of the family. So everybody finally, after he won this particular game, his mother also left from Chennai to Singapore, and everybody are like together accompanying them as he has returned back to Chennai, Pooja.
So, of course, there's the Sports Development Authority of Tamil Nadu. There, of course, are administration officials there. But in many ways, it is the state of Tamil Nadu, isn't it? And they do deserve credit here, specifically, for example, former chess champions like Vishwanathan Anand and more, who have given chess this sort of a platform as well. So keep tracking all the latest on that, Pramod.